It's 5 p.m. in Bernalillo County, New Mexico. From high above, police spot something alarming: a pack of cars tearing through the streets in what appears to be an illegal drag race.
Two that just finished a race, looks like two more setting up to race, and I got two doing donuts in the parking lot. They're gonna be south of the main road.
Yeah, if you wanna start creeping up here, let me know when you're at the bottom of this hill on University, and we'll start to make, try to make 54s on these guys.
As several vehicles cluster together, deputies lock their sights on one car in particular, choosing to close in before the race spirals out of control.
White Chrysler with a yellow 26. It's going to be next to a blue Camaro with a temp tag in the back upper left window. I can't read the temp tag and I can't read the plate on the white Chrysler.
Just seconds later, a suspected traffic violation brings the group's reckless fun to an unexpected halt.
Looks like they just got a phone call. Everybody's running to their cars and they're starting to get in them now.
Gonna stay back 200.
All vehicles are leaving. All vehicles are going eastbound on the main road. I've got eyes on the Chrysler.
With eyes in the sky and boots on the ground, deputies zero in on a single driver setting the stage for a high-stakes chase.
Metro 1, it's all yours if you still have eyes on the sir. 1729 if you can get that, Metro.
Metro 1's got the eye on the white Chrysler.
Hey, that's right, I'm gonna try to catch up with 54. All vehicles are coming out the main entrance.
Remember behind that gray Chrysler and that white Chrysler.
The driver swerves onto a busy road, narrowly missing another car determined not to give up the chase so easily.
Passing a marked unit, number 1 lane still continuing over the bridge.
Did you want me to try to 54 the car as he passes us, or do you want to wait till he's at the 6 though? 242, the black Charger's in the Maverick. It's about to flee. Real Bravo passing under 25. On San Jose for a little bit, no other vehicles in the area. He's at San Jose and William now. And he just ran the red light, or I'm sorry, the stop sign. He's northbound.
Here, for a moment, it looks like the driver outsmarts the helicopter above faking a left turn before abruptly cutting back in another direction.
27 off. When we were on Williams, negative 26.
But just seconds later, deputies on the ground move in, ready to bring the high-speed chase to a decisive end.
You got two guys on the left right there?
Don't move! Put your hands up! Put them up! Do not move! Open the door! I am. Undo your seatbelt, get out of the car! Oh, my phone! I got my phone, dude! Get over here! Get on the phone! Stop resisting! That's placed underneath my name. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Do you have any weapons on you?
No, it's just a gun underneath my name.
What?
It's just a gun underneath my name.
Where's your gun?
It's in the car. Get up! Come on here. Mama, please.
You gonna listen?
Myself. I just have my vape system. But I have a beer, but it's not open. I wasn't drinking. Please.
Have a seat.
Please.
Have a seat.
Okay. Please.
Deputies soon identify the driver as 22-year-old Fernando Martinez, who, after admitting he has a gun, makes a surprising plea, asking for his mother.
Have a seat.
Next, deputies find the gun. Moments later, deputies uncover the weapon itself within arm's reach of the driver's seat.
You can see it from that side.
Is it lentil beans or what is it? Oh, it looks like pinon. Well, I saw the gun. That's why.
Step out. Oh, stop crying, mijito. Well, you shouldn't be driving.
I was driving for a friend.
Why are you so sad?
Because.
But you can, if you have a, then why are you driving like that?
I don't know.
Causing harm to other civilians on the roadway.
I'm scared of my own.
You could have just pulled over and we could have talked. But you caused this whole thing. Okay? So let's be an adult about it. Let's stop crying. Okay?
Where is it? It's my pocket. Which pocket? This one.
This
my
one?
vape. Yeah.
Do you have any injuries on you? Just your finger?
Yeah, I think that's
Okay.
about it.
Alright.
When you're done, I'll read them around.
Okay. Look at me. Straight. Oh, you know what? Come over here. The sun's flip positions. Sun's bad. Okay, turn that way. Face my unit. No, like your whole body. Hey, stop that. Stop crying. Quit it. Okay, face the houses. Alright, face the left-hand side over here to the north. Okay, look at me. Are you asking for your mom?
Yes.
Oh, no.
22.
Look at me straight. Do you have any marks or anything on your face?
No.
Okay, turn around. Let me get your fingers really quick. What finger is it? Alright, just keep them spread out like that, okay? Okay, you got any other injuries on you?
Oh, that's it.
Why are you crying?
Because I want to go with my
You
mom.
want to go with your mom?
Yes.
Well, you're going to jail.
No, please. I ain't never been in trouble. I don't like to get in trouble.
You shouldn't have run.
I was trying to stop too, but I don't want no other cars to hit
We're
me.
going to ask some questions, okay?
No.
You're just going to take a seat in there, okay?
Please, no.
Take a seat in there, okay? He wants his mom.
Mom.
Fernando, can you calm down a little bit? Can you speak to me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna read this to you, okay, before we go any further, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have an attorney with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state of New Mexico free of charge before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time to talk to an attorney. Do you understand these issues I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay, with these rights in mind, do you want to speak to me?
No, I just want my mom.
You don't want to speak to me?
I want my mom.
Okay, so if you don't want to speak to me,
I don't want
if you don't want to speak to me, that's fine. That's well within your right. But as of right now, you are under arrest for aggravated fleeing law enforcement officers. Okay? After racing at a sled amphitheater. Okay? So go ahead and put. Is this your?
Can I call my mom then?
No, you got to put your feet in the car. Okay?
Why can't I call my
come
mom?
on out. We gotta search you real quick. How old are you?
22.
How old?
22.
All right, look out. So you're not gonna be able to call your mom today, okay?
Why?
Because you're an adult.
I need her. I have disability. And you guys just threw me to the floor.
Yeah, well, that was the reason why I know be annotated as such in the police report, okay? But as of right now, you are under arrest, okay?
That's my friend's car.
Well, it's gonna get towed.
Okay. We're good. Have a seat.
My mom.
Mom is not here, dude.
My mom.
Mom is not here. Hey, so I'm not gonna be able to take your vape. I'm gonna put it in the car, okay?
Did I hit it before?
No.
With Fernando secured in the back of a patrol car and headed to jail, the ride takes an unexpected turn when he gets a phone call along the way.
You want me to tell her where you at?
Negative 113,
Huh?
She's a 44-year-old female.
You want me to tell her?
It's because of my older sister.
Well, do you want me to tell her? Yes or no?
Just talk to my sister.
I'll talk to her then, okay?
Oh, God.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Who is this?
This is Deputy Aguilar with the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. How can I help you?
Hi, we're looking for my brother.
You guys are looking for your brother?
Yeah, we've been calling this number. This is a number that we have on our phones.
Uh-huh.
We've been calling and we were talking to my mom and it said that he was pinging in Bernalillo and we're just not sure if you guys have him or if you guys have his phone or what's going on.
Do you know where he's supposed to be at?
No, we're trying to find him. We were told that he was going and he was just driving around, and we've been trying to find him, and we can't find him, but we were calling to.
Cool. You could tell your mom that you guys can find him at MDC. He's going to jail today. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Okay. Love you. Bye.
I want my mom. I need my mom.
You'll see her whenever you get out.
I need her now.
You can, dude. You're 22. You're an adult.
So, I still love my mom.
Well, me too.
I'm a mama's boy.
You're a mama's boy?
No.
Well, mommy can't be here for you right now. You gotta take responsibility for your own actions.
But you guys don't go and get everybody else.
You're not the only one that's going to jail today, dude, so...
Oh my God.
Next time, do not go. Go out, dude. Stay inside. Stay at home, dude.
But once inside the jail, Fernando drops a bombshell revealing yet another messy situation he's allegedly tangled up in.
Stand right here. Go around this corner, you're gonna go to these stores right here.
I need a change.
What do you mean you need change?
Huh?
Why? You got shorts under?
Yeah, I have shorts.
Okay. Have a seat. I'm gonna count this in front of you, dude. You got a $2 bill, okay? You got...
What are you counting my money for?
What's that?
What are you counting my money for?
So you don't say that we stole your money, dude. That's what I'm counting in front of you.
Okay.
That's what I got from your wallet. So you got $100, $2, two $50 bills.
That's my lucky $2.
20, and then
40.
1, 2, 7.
Right.
Cool. Just gonna go on your property. Stand up. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
No.
Bro. You yourself?
Yeah, dog.
God bless.
That's why I need to change.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, dude. If you want to take off your, Cause you have shorts under?
Yeah, that's fine.
You your boxes? Did you really? Like, are you being dead ass?
No, bro.
You didn't yourself?
No, bro. Just I just got.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let me see your jewelry right now. Small, actually.
Bracelet, necklace, everything.
Are you sure, dude?
Yeah.
You didn't yourself?
No, bro.
Alright. If you did yourself, let me know so I can dispose
My pants?
your boxers, dude.
But do you have other ones?
I don't have other ones.
Okay, so I have to go underneath your hand now. I'm good.
No, so you did it yourself. Okay, it's up to you, dude. I mean, you could just take your pants. They could give you a zip lock so they don't fall.
A Ziploc.
Like they'll use a zip so your pants don't fall, dude. It's up to you, dude. Do whatever you want.
Can I keep this one on? This
No, everything has to go in here. Take off your shorts. One pair. You can either keep your shorts or your pants.
I'm gonna keep my shorts.
You want to keep your shorts? Take off your pants.
Right here?
In there, dude.
Chones?
I'm pretty sure.
He has to take off the chones then.
He doesn't want to change. What do you want to do?
Guy. Take off your chones, bro. If it's soiled, you have to take it off.
So, because I'm gonna have to throw it to the trash, dude. I can't tag this. Okay, do you understand that? I can't tag. They're not gonna take it.
You got a Band-Aid?
I don't have a Band-Aid. We got one up at the MDC. You could ask for one. Go ahead and turn around. Let me see this. Did you clean yourself?
Yeah.
Wait up.
Fernando now faces a list of charges: reckless driving, aggravated fleeing from law enforcement, and resisting arrest. As of the latest update, the 22-year-old is set to return to court this fall.